this vehicle is going to be absolutely outstanding and will make history.
Here's the halfway. The L-134 is delivering 60 horsepower now, capable of continuous operation for days.
This. By the time Ford entered the competition in late 1940, Willys was struggling to keep up with Army demand. Powerful presses transform cold-rolled steel into vital Jeep components. Hoods, fenders, and firewalls take shape under the rhythmic force of the dies.
The Ford-designed stamped steel grille with 9 vertical slots replaced the expensive slat grille after June 1940.
The new folding windshield design allows for a significantly reduced profile.
This is where the legendary L-134 engine began. The wooden patterns incorporating Barney Roos's engineering. This critical assembly operation requires precision. The main bearing caps are torqued exactly to specification.
With the ring compressor in place, the Roos aluminum piston slides into the bore. The final step is torquing the rods. The Roos-designed profiles are carefully inserted. Next, the timing chain connects the crankshaft to the camshaft. The Roos innovation features this gear-type pump, ensuring a pressurized oil gallery system. Here we utilize the dummy shaft technique, ensuring these vital needle bearings are perfectly seated before the main shaft is driven home. The Spicer Model 18 transfer case, enabling vital 2- and 4-wheel drive capabilities, assembled with precision right here on the line. Meticulous alignment is critical as the twin studs of the sector shaft engage the variable depth worm groove.
Here we see the assembly of the master cylinder, ensuring the piston cups and return spring are correctly seated.
The 6-volt battery is secured with the hold-down clamp. The heavy gauge cables are connected, positive to the solenoid. The blackout system was a critical military requirement, ensuring minimal light signature during tactical operations.
After setting the float level, the idle mixture screws are backed out 1.5 turns. This ensures a smooth 600 RPM idle and proper engine speed control.
The leaf springs are the backbone of the suspension, ensuring the vehicle's rugged capability. Securing them correctly is vital for cross-country performance. As the body is lowered, workers guide the mounting bolts into place. A pneumatic wrench secures the chassis with
The early slat grille, used through March 1942, was quickly replaced by the stamped steel version after June 1942.
The driver's seat and the 2-passenger bench are securely bolted to the floor, ensuring safety in tactical operations. As you can see, the military-spec cotton braided harness is routed throughout the vehicle.
Secured firmly to the vehicle body, the Pioneer tools, shovel, axe, and entrenching shovel are vital for combat engineering tasks in the field.
Testing the Warner T84 now, verifying 2WD high.
Confirmed, shifting through 4WD high, neutral, and finally 4WD low. All gears accounted for.
Final verification confirms the vehicle meets all military specifications, even reaching top speeds of 6 to 5 miles per hour.
Here at the factory, a completed Willys MB rolls off the line every 80 seconds, ready for rail transport and military delivery overseas. The Willys-Overland MB is carefully broken down into 3 main components.
We understand your concerns about the line speed. We are addressing it directly with management.
It's becoming hazardous. We need support now.
All right, son, grab your tools. We got a war to win, and it starts right here on this line.
Yes, sir. Ready to get started.
We could not continue war without the Jeep, as it does everything, goes everywhere, and is faithful as a dog.
The Toledo Assembly Complex, established in 1909, continues the legacy of Jeep production.
It all started right here in 41 with Willys-Overland.
Yeah.
And that heritage is exactly why we push for the Jeep Fest. Continuous representation.
It's inspiring.
More than just a military vehicle, the Willys MB is celebrated as a genuine expression of machine art.
This is the rare Willys MA, one of only about 30 left. It's a pre-standardization model